Carrie Lynn Winters, Lori Sherritt Fleming. Illustrator Peggy Collins. Poems to Munch On. Hungry for Math. He was hungry for math, always ready to munch. Math for his breakfast, math for his lunch. He'd pig out on pie charts and bar graphs galore, binge on skip counting, and still ask for more. Shapes, he discovered, were less filling fare. He'd taste test a rhombus, sparing room for a square. He'd devour the dollars atop his dessert, then slurp on the coins he'd slopped on his shirt. At night in the dark, he'd gnaw on base 10, toss back some clocks, and crunch numbers again. The Balanced Bee. 3 circles, tall not wide, 6 legs, 3 per side. 2 + 2 wings on its back, bands of yellow, white, and black. Compound eyes to spy the view, antenna not 1, always 2. Now fold your paper, it's plain to see, bees are balanced, it's symmetry. Patterns rock. Rat-a-tat, 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 bang. Rat-a-tat, 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 bang. Bang out your patterns, smash them out loud. You're rhythm masters, you rock the crowd. Strum-a-thrum, twang-itty-twang. Strum-a-thrum, twang-itty-twang. Cut loose with patterns, you're superstars, blasting out tunes on electric guitars. Rat-a-tat, 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 bang. Strum-a-thrum, twangity-twang. Drumming and strumming, what a grand start. Now paint the town with your musical art. The shape of things. Find them all. Name and compare. 2D shapes are everywhere. In the wild, hey, why not? Triangle tooth and trapezoid spot. Up in trees, there's a sight. Hexagon treat and rhombus kite. Under the sea, there they are. Oval shell and 5-point star. At the farm, in disguise, circle snout and rectangle eyes. This shape here, that shape there, 2D shapes are everywhere. Teacup pups. 2 biscuits for poodle, 4 for pug. Beagle has 6 tucked under the rug. 8 for Yorkie, she yaps with glee. 10 for Whippet, it's time for tea. Rotten dragons. Look very closely when they think you've left home. Count 50 rotten dragons sneaking out to roam. 10 slide down the chimney, whooshing through the grime. You'll hear them calling, hey, it's party time. Swimming in the toilet, diving in the tub, 10 more splashing dragons. Rub-a-dub and scrub. Hockey in the hallway, scraping up the floor, 10 more rotten players shoot and score. Racing through the office, riding scooter bikes, 10 more granny dragons zoom along. Yikes! People are coming, 10 more call and hack, all 50 dragons hustle, cleaning up the shack. Oops. Look very closely. They know you're home again. Count 50 hiding dragons in 5 groups of 10. You can pause the video to count them if you'd like. A treasure map. Hey, my name is Pirate O'Greavies. I covers me treasure with banana leaves. I eyes the plant and then the gap. I's count to myself and begins me rap. Before I climbs these blasted weed, how many leaflets does I need? 7, 8, 11, 22. How many leaflets must I stew over these treasures on top of this pit, so me mateys can't spies it? Help me now, guess and measure the number of leaves that covers me treasure. The spendosaur. Spendosaur, spendosaur, hear him roar, thundering down to the candy store. He's got money he wants to spend on treats to share with his spendosaur friend. 1 penny buys a chocolate-dipped pickle. He orders 5 and pays with a nickel. 10 pennies he knows adds up to a dime for gumdrops smothered in swampy slime. 25 pennies make a quarter to pay for spendosaurus gloppy plops that last all day. 100 pennies left, he just can't stop. With his very last dollar he buys the shop. Spendosaur, Spendosaur, hear him roar, thundering away with the candy store. He spent his last penny and it's no joke. His dino bank is empty and now he's broke. That kitty counts. 12 treats for Chantilly, who never acts silly when she's hosting a party. Burmese eats 14, then licks his fur clean. He likes to look like a smarty. In struts Bombay, with plenty to say, he gobbles down 16 more. 18 for Cora, he's a hardy gray cat. She sneaks hers out the back door. Miss Havana Brown, the sleekest in town, purrs, I think you've all had plenty. She then, with a clatter, lays claim to the platter and scarfs down the final 20. Move around the clock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, but the mouse wasn't done. Hickory Dickory Dock. 2 o'clock sprint, 3 o'clock hop. 4:30 skitter, I'll never stop. 7 o'clock climb, 8 o'clock prance, 9:30 jump, squeak, shake, and dance. 10 o'clock squirm, 11 o'clock leap, noon, oh, I need some sleep. So glad I made it. Hickory, hooray! Huh, I'm not finished. A 24-hour day, right? Oh, okay. Hickory Dickory done. The mouse too tired to run. Fell fast asleep. He didn't make a peep. Hickory Dickory done. It all adds up. Zoe's has a ribbon. Chad's has flaps. Tyler sports a toque. The twins have caps. Sue's has palms. Finn's has an arrow. Bree wears a bonnet, Jose a sombrero. But where is my hat? I guess I'll have to face it. It's gone. It's missing. I know I can't replace it. Mine has ribbons and a pom-pom upon it, but it doesn't have flaps or look like Bree's bonnet. My hat's not a cap, it's not a straw sombrero, it's not a cozy toque, and it doesn't have an arrow. My hat is wool and plaid, it's shaped like half a clam. Tyler calls it funny, but I call it my tam. Soapbox first. The soapbox derby is all about speed. A first-rate car is what you need. 3, 2, 1, go! In faith place we've had to swerve. We almost crashed, but made the curve. In 4th place, smash, bang, thump. We caught some air as we hit a bump. In 3rd place, we skidded and slipped, speeding so fast we almost flipped. In 2nd place, rumble, squeal, over the hill we lost our wheel. In 1st place, through a metal spray, we won the race, yippee, hooray. More about math.